I heard about day trade fund on 850 KOA, and I reviewed the program after a conversation with Jay, and you realize the hard work and the time and the effort and the discipline and dedication it's going to take for the program. It alleviates any skepticism pretty quickly. I decided to fully immerse myself into the program shortly after that conversation. Well, for about 25 years I had other jobs, which included offices and cubicles and vehicles and you name it. And they all came into the same stress and pretense. Am I going to get the job? Am I going to get fired? Am I going to get the promotion? Am I going to get a raise? Am I going to get cut? And you got all the bureaucratic stuff in the offices and managing people and dealing with people or being managed. I love what I do now. There is no stress that's put on me by other people. Any stress is internal, and I enjoy that part of it. My daughter actually had called me and told me she wanted me to come. She was in a different town about 6 hours away. And it was in the middle of the week. She wanted me to come to a concert. And previously, you know, you'd had to see you at your job, you get time off, all that kinds of stuff. I loaded up my computer and I drove there and I got to see her concert, got to spend a little time with her. I can't put a value dollar on that. That to me is something that I haven't been able to have for any part of my life, and now that I have it, I don't ever want to lose it. It took me 6 to 8 months before I became regularly seeing profits on a daily basis, and it may have taken me a little bit longer because I was a little bit stubborn and hard-headed at first, but once I realized that this is what I needed to do to follow the rules, I became successful fairly quickly, hitting all of the goals and such that Jay was providing. I usually get up 5:30 or 6 and do a few things and turn on the stock tracker, making sure there's no pre-market huge movers that I want to track or want to get involved in early. Once I'm trading, I try to do all of my purchasing by 8:30 or 9 and all of my selling by 10:30 or 11 at the latest. I have just found that my trading style, what I'm comfortable with, I do not like to be engaged in stocks in the afternoon. So my day trading day usually begins around 6:30, ends around 9:30 or 10 typically, maybe 11. But there are days whenever I'm up at 7 and I'm done by 7:45. I don't really have a set daily goal as a dollar figure. I do have a minimum that I need to achieve on a daily basis to be able to live the lifestyle and provide me with the freedom and the flexibility to do what I do, since this is my vocation, this is my lifestyle. And I exceed that daily about 75% of the time, weekly 80% of the time, and monthly 85% of the time. This is my lifestyle. This is what I do. This is what I'm going to do for the rest of my life. This is my retirement. I enjoy it. I work about 10 to 12 to 15 hours a week, maybe 20 if it's a rough week on me. And so there's nothing I'd rather be doing. I get excited every morning. I'm excited to see the stock market every morning. It provides me with everything that I need. And again, I focus on the freedom, the flexibility, the autonomy, the things that actually money can help provide, but if I focus on those because it provides the comfort that I need.
Investing in securities involves risk, including the risk of loss. Investors may make or lose money. Past performance is no guarantee of future results, and no one can guarantee what the market is going to do from day to day or minute to minute.